Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to learn the poem Nature's Friend and it is written by W.H. Davis. Let's read the pre-reading task. There are a lot of lovely things in the world. Yes, there are so many things that are too beautiful. Okay, there are so many things which are very beautiful and lovely. They make us happy, especially children like you. Children like you means the poet is saying to you people. They make us happy, means all the things around us in the world, beautiful things, they make us to feel happy. Some of the beautiful things are garden, birds, flowers, animals, especially pets. Okay, in those like beautiful things, garden, birds, flowers, animals, mountains, hills, trees, forests, birds, lakes, seas, oceans, sky, stars. So many things are there which will make us to feel happy. These all things, the things around us, they make us to feel pleasure. Okay, discuss with your partner any two things you love most. Okay, discuss any two things which you love most with your partner. Here you can see some words. Hedge, a line of bushes planted along the edge of the lawn in front of the poet's house. Hedge meaning bailey. Wren, a small brown bird. Wren means. Here W is silent children. So it is wren, a small brown bird. Okay. And then moth means large winged insect. It is ಪತಂಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು ದೀಪದ ಹುಳಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ರೆನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಹಕ್ಕಿ, ಒಂದು ವಿಧದ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹಕ್ಕಿ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ರೀಡ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್, ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ explain it to you. Say what you like, all things love me, I pick no flower, that means the bee. The summer moths think my hand one to touch their wings, with wind and sun. The garden mouse comes near to play, indeed, he turns his eyes away. The wren knows well I rob no nest, when I look in she still will rest. The hedge stops cows, or they would come after my voice right to my home. The horse can tell straight from my leaf, my hand could not hold any whip. Say what you like, all things love me. Horse, cow and mouse, bird, moth and bee. This poem is written by W.H. Davis. Now let's understand the lesson. Say what you like, all things love me. I pick no flowers, that wins the bee. Here W.H. Davis says that everything in the nature, in his garden, love him. All things love him because he will not pick any flowers. He will not harm any trees and he will not pluck any flowers because the bees will suck the nectars from the flowers. Okay, W.H. Davis says that he is saying to the readers, proudly he is saying that whatever the readers might think about him, or they may say, he is of the opinion that all the things in his garden loves him a lot. This is because, why he thinks so, because he does not pick any flowers, because that butterflies sucks the nectars from the flowers. Next, the summer moths think my hand one to touch their wings with wind and sun. Summer moths meaning what? It is Deepada Hula. What it thought? They are not afraid of the poet and it will not fly away. The summer moths think that his hands are like wind and the sun that gently carries their wings. The garden mouse comes near to play. Indeed, he turns his eyes away. Indeed means nijvagiyu. The garden mouse is daring enough to come near to the poet to play with him because the mouses, they know that he will not harm to it. The poet will not hurt it. After that, he turns his eyes. He turns his eyes away. Next stanza. The wren knows well I rob no nest. When I look in, she still will rest. Rob meaning kaltana madu. The wren, it is a kind of bird, brown bird, okay, small bird. ಒಂದು ವಿಧದ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪಕ್ಷಿ. Even the wren bird knows that the poet is very poet. He knows about the poet very well, that poet will not steal the nest. The wren, a small bird, is familiar with the poet. It does not flutter about in anxiety if the poet looked into its nest. It will rest peacefully in its nest because it knows that the poet will not steal her eggs. So wren bird also loves him very much, and he is taking rest in his nest. The hedge stops cows, or they would come after my voice right to my home. The cows which are grazing in his garden lazily in the field are also friendly with the poet. They are also familiar with his voice. If the hedges of the field had not stopped them, they would have followed him right to his house. When they hear his voice calling to them, even the horses like him so much. They can say that this man will not do any harm with him. Harm to the cows which are grazing in the garden, grazing lazily in his field, also friendly with the poet. They are also familiar with his voice. If the hedges of the field had not stopped them, they would have followed him right to his house. When they hear his voice calling to them, the hedges stops the cows, or they would come after my voice. My voice means poet's voice. The horse can tell straight from my lip, my hand could not hold any whip. Okay, he can proudly say that the horse knows that his hand could not hold a whip. He is not cruel to his horse. Okay, even the horses like him so much, they can say that this man will not hold any whip. It means he will not beat. He will not try to control the horses. And what he is saying, the cows are also very friendly with him, and the horses are also very friendly with him. Say what you like, all things love me, horse, cow and mouse, bird, moth and bee. So whatever the people may think or say or think, or they can say, all things in his garden, all the things in his field, in his nature, all the horse, cow, mouse, everything loves him. Like bird, moth, bees love the poet because he is a true nature lover. W.H. Davis, he is a true nature lover. Okay, children, here you can see some question answers. The poem begins with the word say what you like. What does this expression mean? Here, 4 options they had given. Let's see those. You may believe me or not. You may like what I say or not like it. Gap and I will get it for you. Tell me what you want to say. It means here the poet say what you like. He wants to say that you may believe me or not. Okay, all the things in his garden loves him a lot, he wants to say. Next one, what does that in line 4 refer to? Line 4 refer to. Okay, here the line 4 refers to the flowers. That wins the bee, so the bee is defeated. True or not true? No, it is not true, because bee is not defeated there. D1. Think about the meaning of the second stanza. Which of the meaning given below is correct? I touch the moth's wings as delicately as wind and sun. Yes, it is correct. Only I touch the moth's wings. No, it is not correct. I touch the moth's wings as delicately means smoothly, very gently as wind and sun. So this one is the correct answer. What did the poet do to turn the mouse's eyes away? The poet used to play with the mouses. Why has the wren become the poet's friend? The wren become the poet's friend because the poet will not drop the eggs, not even the chicks from the wren's nest. The poet tells us animals love voices and faces of people. What examples does he give? Children, this is homework for you. Try to write this in your own sentence.